Hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Wanda. Hi. In this video, I'll be using this reflective HTV sheet pack. This is a 12 by 12, 11 pieces pack. So far, I'm loving what I see. I'm pretty sure I'll be using this pink for a future project. The colors in here are neon pink, neon yellow, neon orange, neon green, pastel purple, true blue, sweet purple, bright silver, pure red, coconut white, and ink black. For this project, I'll be using the coconut white. Now, as I mentioned, this is reflective heat transfer vinyl. TeckWrap says this is perfect for styling t-shirts, workout gear, and Halloween costumes. Let's head over to Design Space. On the search bar, I'll be typing in cement truck. I'll be using an image from here that I saw and really liked. I'll be selecting images, and then I'll just scroll down till I find the image. Once I find it, I'll select it. By selecting the image itself, it'll give you the option to look at different kind of mock-ups. Once you're there, just select Add to Canvas and then View. Once it's on the canvas, you can make it bigger or smaller. I'll pull on the corner to make my image bigger. I need the image to be at least 11 inches big. Once you're satisfied, select Make. You can save it as a project. In my case, I won't. Select to work on a mat. I'll be using a 12 by 12. This is only a one color vinyl project, so I'll select Continue. All right, I have my mat ready. I'll be placing my vinyl on the mat. I'll be placing shiny side down. Always remember when cutting heat transfer vinyl, it's crucial to place the shiny carrier side down on the cutting mat. This shiny side is essentially the backing sheet that holds the design in place during cutting and applying heat. Therefore, the matte side, which has the adhesive, goes face up. Now, before putting our vinyl to cut, let's browse all material. On the search bar, I'll be typing in reflective. So here we have a result. So I'll select reflective iron on and then I'll select done. Since it's iron on, it'll turn the mirror option on. And now we can proceed to cut our material. And it's all cut. I'll be bringing in a cutter just to cut off the extra vinyl. This way I'm not wasting any vinyl. But first, I'll turn my mat around and remove the vinyl off of my mat. I like doing it this way so my vinyl does not roll up. Now, let's put it in the cutter and cut off the extra. Make sure not to cut part of the design. Otherwise, you'll be missing pieces. Now, normally I like to do this step first, but this time I forgot. And now to do the weeding, I'll be using this TeckWrap pin pen. This is by far my favorite weeding tool. To start weeding, just poke with your weeding tool on a corner and then start removing the unwanted vinyl off of the carrier sheet. Make sure to be very gentle. That way you're not tearing up your vinyl. A few features about this vinyl is it's cotton friendly with quick and easy transfer. Waterproof, survives up to 50 washes of cycle. Easy cutting and weeding with zero clutter. Thin and stretchable for maximum coverage. Ideal for shirts, hoodies, Halloween costumes, workout gear, safety gear, club wear. Compatible with most craft cutters and die cutters. And as you can see, I'm having no issues whatsoever weeding this vinyl. It is very easy to weed. My husband works for a concrete company, and he's been asking me for a while to create a shirt with a truck or a cement truck for him. A couple of weeks ago, I received a package from TeckWrap, which included this reflective vinyl pack. And I said, okay, we need to create a shirt for hubby. So early in the day, I went to the store to pick up a shirt so that I can create this. So we'll see how it turns out. Now keep in mind, this is a work shirt. Sometimes he has to work late and it's dark outside, especially for winter time. So that's when the reflective part of the vinyl comes in place. What that means is he'll be spotted by other cars with lights on. So technically, it will keep him safe. All right, here's the design. All weeded out. I'll be using this blue shirt, and I think it looks beautiful so far. Let's turn our heat press on. TeckWrap recommends your temperature be at 150 to 160 Celsius, which is 302 Fahrenheit to 320 Fahrenheit. It says press it only 8 to 12 seconds at medium pressure. So I'm lint rolling the shirt just to make sure it is clean before pressing the vinyl on. After lint rolling, I'll be pressing the shirt for 5 seconds to remove the moisture. TeckWrap says iron on the vinyl gloss side. Do not use a steam iron. Now normally I like to create a guideline on my shirt. This way my image is centered correctly. I'll be folding my shirt in half and pressing it for at least 3 seconds. Now this will create a guideline, as you can see, in the center of the shirt. I will also be using this ruler. It will help me place my design 3 inches down from the neck. Another thing I like to do is fold my design on the top, the carrier sheet, that is, and then align it with the guideline on the shirt. This definitely makes a difference. After doing this, I can assure you the design will be centered. But if you're extra like me, you will also measure the sides of the design to make sure each side has the same amount. So now we're good. And as you can see on my heat press, I'll be pressing for 12 seconds. And once that's done pressing, wait for the vinyl to cool and gently peel off the backing after a few minutes. And once I'm done peeling this off, I'll place a small piece of parchment paper over and press it for 5 more seconds. This will help seal the vinyl. And all done. Look at this. It looks beautiful. I love the way it turned out. Hubby's gonna love it. And now to turn the lights off to see how reflective this is. Lights off, flashlight on. It is very reflective. And if you watched to the end and you liked the video, don't forget to give us a like. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.